Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. On today's video I wanted to actually do an updated review of my vintage Christian Dior saddlebag, vintage, if I didn't mention that already, that I bought a couple of years ago online prior to it actually becoming so popular. And this is a bag that I've, as of recently, have been finding myself using more and more. Why? I'm not too sure, but I'm happy that I am. This is a really good bag. For its size, I do think it holds a whole bunch. And again, this model, if I can find information about like maybe the year that it was made, or if I can actually just find a screenshot somewhere here of the purchase listing when I did buy it, because I really bought this bag on like dirt cheap compared to how much they're marketed as now. I got a really great deal. So yeah, just quick little specs of the bag. Mine, I got a little I don't know what happened here, but it got a mark, so I actually have to bring it to the cobbler or the cleaners to just get that fixed, because who wants to be walking around with, I don't know, it looks like gum, but it's not, I don't know. But yeah, so specs of this bag, both sides have these CD Christian Dior letters that connects the strap, and then it has a big D.
That's what she said.
With CD just like stamped onto it. And also in the back side of the side CDs, it says Christian Dior. If I can show you all, if it will focus on that, it says Christian Dior, as you can see. The back, it has just one little button snap pocket. This one also says CD. I don't know if it will focus, but over here it says CD for Christian Dior. When you open the bag, I have some stuff in here because, again, like I said, I've been using this bag quite often recently. Mine, it has just a little leather tab. I've reviewed this bag if you want more in-depth spec information. Yeah, just a zipper pocket, and the zipper pocket has this little pull tab that says CD, also Christian Dior, for the bag, and more stuff. So what I love about this bag is it is so just slim, it's easy, it's quick, it's no nonsense, it's like stress-free. You don't have to worry about anything. This bag does it. If you gotta go, you can go. No one's stopping you, no one's keeping you here. You do your thing. And I've never really been a fan of, like, you know, like bags that you put here, but I don't even actually wear this bag like that. But the armpit distance, it's just perfect. I just put it up here and I go and I do my business. I've gone to so many just events, work related events, or you know, whatever. I've gone to many events with this bag, and this bag is the business, y'all. This bag is literally the business. If you can find yourself one for secondhand, do it. You don't have to dish out thousands of dollars for something that you could find already. And what I've been hearing from people also is that the quality is different. I can tell you, this is very sturdy leather. Like this, like the cow that, you know, sacrificed, or whose life was sacrificed to make this bag, was healthy. All right, this is a good, like, really good leather, really strong leather. The bag is just so flexible. Like, you're probably like, oh no, not this bag, but it's super flexible, y'all. And it's kind of like an accordion in a bit, because you think it's just like, oh, one little slim bag, but no, like it's like an accordion. So when you put more stuff, this actually opens up more. And then I'm trying to get my hands, all right, like, you know, it can open up, but you're not really finna put mad stuff in your bag, because it might be difficult to close it. So yeah, this is just like my little quick opinion on this bag. I really love this bag. I have another one that I'm thinking of selling, but other than that, yeah, this bag is the business. And even with like the brushed gold brass, oh my gosh, thank you, the seller. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave it in the comment section below. And if I can find any links to any of the products that I used in this video, I will definitely put in the description box. And yeah, join my little cookie family. You know, you're welcome here. So we're cool. I'm a cool mom. I'm a cool YouTuber. Not a mom, one day maybe. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching again, and subscribe if you're still here, you know? Yeah, so yeah. Go ahead, subscribe. Yes, alright guys, bye. Monstera Deliciosa.